I'm here at the beach. I'm gonna relax and have so much fun.
Don't forget to subscribe.
It's so beautiful out here. And I'm out of breath because of all the biking I did. Oh, look at that! I think this is the perfect place for me to stay. Time to set up everything. It's gonna be nice and comfy. And I'm gonna relax. Now it's time for the floaties. I think this is the perfect place for them. God, oh my god, oopsies! Everything's falling apart. This is so annoying. Oh no. Now finally I'm done. Rocky, where are you, puppy? Oh, here you are. Oh, my little puppy, I love you. Rocky, I have some treats for you. Come back. Don't tell me he ran off again. Oh my god, again? Rocky! Rocky! Come here! Rocky, where are you? My little boy! Don't be naughty, my little puppy! Rocky, I'm not kidding. Don't make me go down there. Oh, Rocky, where is that puppy? He always gets in trouble, and now I'm worried. I'm so tired. Ow. The sand is hurting my feet. I need to get a snack and continue searching. Oh, Rocky, there you are, my little friend. Alright, stay here. Don't go anywhere. I have to go for a swim. Oh my god, I'm so excited to go for a swim. Oh yeah, I'm here. Now where is Barbie? Here we go. Hello, Rocky. Let's take it. And this one. And this one. Now it's mine. Beautiful flowers. Now they're mine. I like decorating. Now it's much better. Looks really good. Looks really, really good. Wow. Relaxing. I'm gonna pick some seashells. I like seashells. Seashells are beautiful. Na. This one is beautiful. This one is perfect. Ooh, this purple one's really pretty. I love all these colors. This This one is really huge. What? What happened? Where is my stuff? Where did everything go? Where's Rocky? Where's my chair? Wait a minute. Chelsea, what are you doing here? What are you doing here, Barbie? I do nothing. Sorry. Stop breaking me all the time. Wait a minute. Where is my bike? Where is my bike? Where is it? Well, Barbie. What a pretty bike you have. Let me borrow it for today. I will never stop kidding you. Now it's time to go home on my beautiful bike. At least you can use a taxi. See you home, Barbie.
For more videos, leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.